Good morning, 早上好。In last lesson, we learned how to answer the phone in Chinese. Today, we are going to learn how to call someone in Chinese. There are 5 common ways to call someone. Today, we are going to learn together. Okay, first, you can say 喂. Yes, we learned that before. 喂 means hello when you are calling someone, right? 喂，我是米米. When you call someone, of course you have to tell someone your name first. So in English you have to say this is, but in Chinese you just say I am. So 喂，我是米米. I am 米米. 喂, when you say 喂, I know you are calling. So you can just say I am 米米. 喂，我是米米. Are you someone like that? Are you Peter? 你是彼得吗? Are you Paul? 你是保罗吗? Okay, so is this da da da? We can just say are you da da da. Okay, so 喂，我是米米，你是吗? Hello, this is Mimi. Are you Baba? Basically, it's like is this da da da. Okay, we just say in Chinese we just say I am and are you. I know in English you have to say this is and is this. Okay. When you want to speak to someone in the company, when you call company, basically we can say 您好 instead of 喂. 您好 is a polite way. It's very useful. You can say 您好，我找 I'm looking for. 找 means look for. So 我找 maybe Peter. 我找彼得。我找 the name. So 我找 I'm looking for 爸爸爸。麻烦您 is like the I give this trouble to you. Basically, it's like you want to ask someone to do something for you. A polite way to request, you can say 麻烦您 and then something. 麻烦您 give me the water. 麻烦您给我水. It's like that. So you can say 麻烦您让他. 让 is let or make. Make him 他 make her 他 or let him or let her. 接一下电话. 接 means answer here. 接电话 means answer the phone, answer the call. 一下 a little bit, just briefly. So do something briefly. So 接一下电话好吗? Is that okay? So basically it's like the 您好 hello. 我找 may I speak to Peter. I'm looking for Peter. 我找彼得。麻烦您让他接一下电话好吗? Could you please? 麻烦您 Could you please? Let him 让他 or let her 让他 Answer the phone. Is that okay? 接一下电话好吗? Okay, so 您好，我找 someone. 麻烦您让他接一下电话好吗? Okay, the second one is the most polite way to call someone in the company if you want to speak to someone really important. Maybe the second one is really useful. Okay, the second way is very polite. When you want to make a business call, I think the second way is the best. But of course you'll think, it's too long, I cannot remember. But don't worry. You can also use 3, 4, 5. They are also very polite. Okay, how can we ask? How can we call? So we can just also say 您好, like the second way. 您好. When you say 您好, basically it's like a formal call. 您好, and you use 请问. 请问 means excuse me, and 请问 also means like the I'd like to ask. So I'd like to ask. Someone 在吗? Someone 在吗 means like the is someone here? Is Peter here? So you can say 请问彼得在吗? 请问 Peter 在吗? 在吗 means is Peter here? Is someone here? 在吗? Okay. And you can also ask is Peter busy right now? 您好，请问 Peter 现在忙吗 ？Peter in Chinese is 彼得。彼得现在忙吗？现在 means now。忙吗 means is he busy? Is Peter busy right now? So you can say 请问彼得现在忙吗 Okay. And also you can ask like this way. 方便接电话吗 What does it mean? 您好，请问 Okay, Peter 方便接电话吗？方便 means convenient or available. Is Peter available to answer the call? 接 answer the call 接电话 answer the phone. So you can ask like this way too. Well, I know you say, oh, why the second one is so long? But don't worry, if you cannot remember this one, just remember 3, 4, 5. They are also very polite way. And this one, the first one, basically it's when you call someone's cell phone. So you know who you are calling. So it's like you just want to confirm, are you Peter? So I'm Mimi. Are you Peter? It's like this is Mimi. Is this Peter? It's a really casual call. You can just use the first way to call. And then 2, 3, 4, 5. They're kind of like the really formal way. So it's good for your business. Okay, when you want to speak to someone in the company. Yes, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's read one more time together. 喂，我是米米，你是吗？您好，我找。麻烦您让他接一下电话，好吗？您好，请问在吗？您好，请问现在忙吗？您好，请问方便接电话吗？ Okay, today we learned how to call someone. Yeah, try. You can try to call your Chinese friends today. Okay, thank you for watching today. If you have any questions, leave your comments. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.